Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Sony headphones with your iPhone. So first of all, you have to click and hold this power button when they are turned off, and hold until this indicator starts blinking quickly. There we go. Right now they are in the pairing mode, so we have to go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth, and select your Sony WH-CH720N from the list. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. So you have to also get, you can download the Sony headphones application to get more features of these headphones. So I can recommend you to use this application. So that's the full name of the application. You can just download it on your iPhone, and when you connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings like we did, you can already find them in the application. So here that's some kind of the quick information, but you can just click to do this later, click next, later. I don't want to set up the 360 reality audio. I'm gonna do this later. Go to the dashboard, and as you can see right now, we are in the application and we are successfully connected. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.